So today we're going to be talking about ghosters and what you should do about them. So this is the most popular topic on the internet because people love falling in love with people who literally do not talk to them. Okay, so if you are worried about if a ghoster is going to come back, they are, sweetie, because you're accessible. You're now a swinging door for somebody who only talks to you when they want to talk to you. Okay? You don't need to book a session with me or any other dating coaches to tell them about your situation, because it's very common for people who have no boundaries for themselves. If you have no boundaries and you allow people to walk in and out of your life, then that's exactly what they're going to do. Okay? It's as simple as setting some boundaries. And if you've fallen in love with people who literally do not talk to you, then that's a problem. And you probably have an issue with obsessing over rejection or falling in love with rejection love. That's literally what it is. It's not that, oh, you need to do something to get them to come back, or there's some magic you have to do, or some manifesting or something like that. It's literally you're accessible. So as long as you are accessible, the ghosters are going to keep coming back. You'll stop getting ghosted when you stop being that accessible person. Simple as that. Like, as simple as that. I don't know why people think falling in love with somebody who does not talk to them is attractive or anything to ever grow from, but it's not. It's not. That's not actually real love, and you're not bonding with somebody. You have no bond with someone who literally does not care to contact you. You know, I don't care about your, what if he ghosted me after this? What if I ghosted him and then I don't care. That's some weird stuff. Cut it out. Cut it out. Okay? No. You know, if you want to be respected, then you need to demand respect. So, and you demand respect by not responding back to ghosters. You don't respond back to ghosters. What are you building with somebody who literally does not talk to you? They're showing you they don't really like you and they don't really want to talk to you. So what exactly are you planning to get from that? Even if you do something and that ghoster comes back, why would you want somebody who did not want to talk to you in the first place to come back? And this is for people who are ghosted by people who are totally healthy. They could see them and follow them on social media and everything like that. Because there are some ghosting situations where stuff happens. People go into depression. There's people who phones get cut off, or some disaster happens or something like that. But even then, those people would communicate with them what exactly happened and how they got there. You know, you don't need to, it's not much shucking and jiving you need to do to find that out. So yeah, if you are into ghosters and you're trying to get them to come back, you need to figure out why you like rejection so much, okay? And what it's doing for your life, because you're not actually connecting with people. So yeah, figure that out. And you can hit me up on Actual Black Mermaid on Instagram, Imani_Yvonne2 on Twitter, and comment, like, share, and subscribe below. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, you guys.